Since 1971, Mass-Vac Incorporated has been rebuilding vacuum pumps. As services expanded, it became clear that most premature vacuum pump failures weren't from standard wear and tear, but rather from process contamination that was ingested into the vacuum pump. This accounted for damage that resulted in expensive pump rebuilds and avoidable downtime. We knew that keeping process contaminants out of the vacuum pump was key to extended life and system uptime. So, we developed vacuum pump inlet and exhaust traps that have the flexibility to be tailored to specific vacuum processes. Today, with over 50 years of experience, we're the experts in vacuum trapping. We've accumulated data on hundreds of vacuum applications and thousands of process parameters that can indicate the nature and volume of the byproducts that lead to vacuum pump failure. Unlike our competitors who offer traps as an optional accessory to their main products, such as vacuum pumps or vacuum components, our trapping recommendations are based on actual documented field results. And because of our application expertise and the flexibility and quality of our products, our traps are used throughout the world in virtually every industry that uses vacuum pumps. We're here to ensure you get the right trap for your particular application. When you need a trap for your vacuum process, come to the experts. Call 800-868-6700 or visit massvac.com today.